Welcome to Incredible Tech. We're in an age of innovation as new technology emerges and makes our lives easier and more comfortable. Technology has more than shown it has the power to change the world. These 9 inventions are making huge splashes with the ability to make our lives easier and more advanced while staying fun in the process. We have everything from second technological skins, toys of the future, and things unlike anything you've ever seen before. Make sure you stick around to see what makes number 1 on today's list. Take notes and make sure you're subscribed to the channel with post notifications. Now, let's get into it. Number 9. Metaura Pro. Long gone are the days of those little portable mist fans. We've entered into the new era of technology, especially in consumer comfort. Conventional wearable cooling systems just circulate the air around you, meaning if the air isn't already cool, it's not going to do more. Through the Kickstarter, early birds can get their hands on one of these clever devices for just $149, meaning it's a decently priced gadget purchase. The Metaura Pro should rely on a portable cooling solution, which produces genuinely cool air up to 7 degrees Fahrenheit cooler than the ambient air in fan mode, and 18 degrees if in cooling mode. This device uses a dedicated app and relies on AI to regulate the air temperature. The whole process is supposed to efficiently transform your temperature without you needing to do anything. Number 8. SurfaceSoap. If you're looking to disinfect, as many of us are, then look no further. This UV wand disinfects within seconds with just a simple wave, unlike wipes. It uses a powerful UVC light, meaning 99.9% of even hard-to-kill pathogens are no match. This includes Salmonella and Staphylococcus, just for that added bonus. With a price tag like $199.95 on Amazon, it's easy to get, and for the added bonus of consistency, it's worth the buy. We're all looking for a way to stay on top of bacteria and gunk, and the easier it is, the better we can all do it. Number 7. CheerTok. We've had universal remotes for quite some time now, but why not bring that convenience into the modern era too? CheerTok functions as a touchpad remote for your digital devices, meaning content creators and hobbyists are no longer confined to the space around their devices. Whether it's handling a projector from across the room or manipulating your Apple or Android phone for a video, you can wirelessly connect to your device via Bluetooth and use it for convenient on-screen control. It's relatively low stakes compared to some of the ones on the list today. What better way to dial in on what tech is hot than what could revolutionize the things we already love doing? With a price tag of $39, it'll be in the hands of the right people sooner than later. Number 6. eSkin. Scientists have seemingly replicated the sensation of having skin. Everything from the intensity of force, pressure, or stress. Developed by researchers at the Korea Institute of Machinery and Materials in Daejeon, South Korea, it's been developed as an exterior, electronic skin for prosthetics. This particular creation is made by layering active nanomaterials as a sensor on a stretchy surface, attaching to human skin. The function, going forward, of this incredible invention will make considerable changes in prosthetics, AI, soft robotics, health monitoring, biocompatibility, and communications devices alike. Right now, these e-skins are being sold on the business end of things, so the $5,000 price tag might not be for consumers yet. A few similar devices are being developed, and we'll just have to wait and see how things advance in the future. Number 5. CZUR Shine Pro. If you've ever been tasked with the uniquely difficult task of scanning a book, then you'll understand why this next device is something revolutionary. The demand for professional book scanners has grown exponentially over the last few years, along with the increasing remote work industry. CZUR had risen to the occasion with its various scanner products, including the CZUR Shine, the newest launch. This is precisely what business owners, researchers, and students need. It makes sure any user at any level would be able to scan the high-resolution 320 DPI using its 24-megapixel HD CMOS sensor. It flattens those hard-to-work-with curves using AI to produce flawless, professional scans of each page without the need to unbind or harm your books. Depending on your needs, there are products ranging from $89 to $299. This might be a niche product for a specific group, but what effect doesn't have a target audience? Number 4. Xion CyberX. The future is now. At least, the cyberpunk one that looks so cool. The Xion CyberX seems pulled straight from a futuristic video game with everything you'd expect from an electronic bike. But somehow, so much more. It looks like nothing else out there. More similar to a high-end gaming setup than your usual moped. It dazzles with translucent bodywork and LEDs that create stunning, color-changing visuals on the road that looks as if Tron came to life. It offers 2-mode operation for on- and off-road use, capped at around 750 watts in street mode, with a top speed of 28 miles per hour with a range of 75 to 100 miles. But in race mode, that jumps up to 5,000 watts with a climbing top speed of 50 miles per hour. It also features a sturdy frame and motorcycle-style hydraulic disc brakes, so you can confidently go from 50 to 0. Now, to be upfront, it's not quite in production yet, but we do have a projected price around $3,699 with some big promises. It has long since blown past the original $25,000 goal by more than 4,000%. So, what we see likely is what we'll get, and that's amazing! Production will be seen soon, so it might be the time to finally switch to electric. Number 3. LED Juggling Club. These LED juggling clubs by Pyroterra Light Toys are light, balanced, and fun. Skilled performers, hobbyists, and others alike can enjoy the unique design, diffused polycarbonate, bright, diffused lights, and music syncing a great show. Is this going to change lives? No, probably not. But not every invention needs to be a lifesaver or groundbreaking. Sometimes $570 can kickstart a new hobby that you genuinely enjoy or improve your performance. Number 2. Decode. The self-proclaimed bag for commuters. It's perfect with thoughtful compartments, slash pockets, and an easy-to-store design that works on the go or even as a carry-on. It could very well be the bag to end all bags. The organization is meant to make life easier when it's easy to get swept up and have things turn into a mess. There are compartments inside, side access for if you don't want to open it all up, and multi-pull zippers that allow you to change and go as you please. There's a dedicated laptop compartment, waterproof zippers, padded handles, card pockets, abrasion-proof mesh, ergonomic shoulder straps, etc., etc., etc. This crowd-funded idea adds a little more function to all of our lives. They've rocketed past the $5,000 initial goal and made close to $209,000 overall. This $129 bag has it all, at a time when people are looking to make traveling again just a little bit easier. Number 1. Nimo Smart Glasses. Smart glasses designed to let you work from anywhere. Built with productivity in mind, the Nimo Betas are made to help you get work done faster. Nimo's smart glasses can act as a standalone computer, all at once, powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon XR1 processor. It provides users with up to 6 virtual screens to work on using an open-source Android app. While they look bulky, the glasses are relatively light at just 120 grams. They feature 720-pixel displays that make it look like a 40 to 50-inch screen from your perspective, with multi-screen features that can be activated anywhere. The Nimo smart glasses cost $799 and could revolutionize co-working spaces and help people work more effectively and efficiently on their own terms. There is always new tech and new innovations being brought to life, especially with the increasing popularity of Indiegogo and Kickstarter campaigns. Many of these items make our lives easier, while others help us do it in style. Do you think we missed any on today's list? Let us know below, and we can always cover them in a future video. If you liked this video and want to see more like it, leave a like down below and subscribe so you never miss out on mind-blowing tech videos just like this. This has been Incredible Tech, and we'll see you next time.